I work for OMERS Private Equity, so we manage the retirement security for about 650,000 pensioners in Ontario. So think the firefighters, police officers. My role is to ensure that when it comes to AI and all things really digital, analytics, data, technology, that I can help our companies across the life cycle. My career's been about variety. So I was in banking for 2 banks. I was at beverage alcohol. I was in the sneaker retail space. And now my day could be looking at HVAC call centers. I started off my career on the advising side. One of the things I realized, I would do the projects and we get to a certain point in terms of the output. And I was always wondering what happened, like what happened with the work, and we go on to the next work. And so one of my mentors finally, I think was exhausted of me and said, Bill, you keep asking what happens after we left, maybe you should be the one who stays. And that's really what led me to realize that I think I was more excited by the change that was happening as a result of the work than the elegant analysis that we might have done. The proudest moment of my career was when I built the first operationally focused transformation team at BNP Paribas. What made me really proud about that is I started from scratch, and to see the people who graduated even from my team who went on to bigger roles at the bank or went on to other places, and that people development and the relationships, that was probably the most exciting and most challenging thing that I have done from a professional standpoint. Yeah, so when I think about what excites me about AI, I think it's an amazing opportunity to do the work that we want to do. So your judgment, your perception, how you care, that will never be outsourced and shouldn't be outsourced. If we can focus on those elements and allow AI to do the rest, I think that's going to make work, and the companies that focus on that kind of environment and foster AI in the right way are going to have a big advantage, I think, in the market. I think some of the more exciting transformations are the ones that are more quiet, the ones that are more personal to you. I've been actually practicing to learn Thai. I wanted to pick a language that was not as accessible. I mean, you only know how to ask like where the bathroom is, how to tell the taxi to make a left, or you say something ridiculous and then the locals laugh at you. But I think that's part of the excitement of a transformation effort, because it is meant to be hard, it's meant to be challenging, it's meant to take you to a different type of place than you might be in other parts of your life.